Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. In our previous videos, we learned how to create courses, manage users, and organize participants using groups. When you are managing multiple courses, however, you may find yourself enrolling the same set of users again and again. Doing this manually can quickly become repetitive and time consuming. This is where cohorts become useful. A cohort is a site-wide collection of users. Instead of managing users separately in every course, you can organize them into a cohort and reuse that same collection across multiple courses. For example, you might create a cohort for Web Development Batch 1, first year students, or teachers. Later, you can enroll the entire cohort into one or more courses with just a few clicks. It's important to understand the difference between groups and cohorts. A group belongs to a single course and is mainly used for course activities, discussions, and assignments. A cohort, on the other hand, exists at the site level and can be used across multiple courses. In this video, we will learn how to create a cohort and add users to it. So let's get started. First, go to Site Administration, then click Users. Under Accounts, select Cohorts. This page displays all the cohorts available on your Moodle site. To create a new cohort, click Add New Cohort. In the Name field, enter a name for your cohort. For this example, I'll enter Web Dev Batch 1. The cohort ID field is optional, so you can leave it blank unless your organization requires it. You can also enter a description if needed. For this tutorial, I leave the remaining settings at their default values. Now click Save Changes. Our cohort has now been created successfully. Next, let's add users to the cohort. Click the three-dot menu beside the cohort. Then select Assign. On the right side, Moodle displays all available users. Select the users you want to include in this cohort. Then click Add. The selected users are now members of the cohort. After adding your users, click Back to Cohorts. Our cohort is now ready to use. At this stage, we have simply created a collection of users. Notice that these users have not been enrolled in any courses yet. A cohort only stores a list of users. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know what a cohort is, how it differs from a group, and how to create a cohort and add users to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.